Northumbria has been on a really positive and strong apprenticeship journey. In the last 5 years, we've grown our apprenticeship offer from a few hundred apprenticeships studying to nearly 2,000. Across all of these apprenticeship programs, we're engaging directly with nearly 400 employers who we work closely with alongside professional bodies to ensure that all of the required skills, quality and standards is built into the apprenticeships we offer.
Northumbria University has got, if not one of the best, built environment departments within the United Kingdom. Our employers throughout the UK seek our graduates because they've actually been to Northumbria University, and it's a badge of quality within the surveying profession.
Northumbria University was one of the key instigators in this new route and accreditation for becoming an architect. We've got the largest degree apprenticeship in architecture in the country. We've got the most experience. We're constantly evolving and changing the programme to make it better and support our students on this programme. The staff and also the coach are all qualified architects who've worked in practice. They're also work with the RIBA and the ARB, helping them assess and examine. So we're very much aware of both practice and what the professional bodies are looking for.
Civil engineering programmes at Northumbria University scored 90% in the National Student Survey in 2021 and also an overall score of 87% in the Complete University Guide 2022. Most of the learning on the apprenticeship will be in the workplace. Apprentices will gain theoretical understanding through university sessions and resources, and through their tasks will be able to apply that theory and put it into practice in the workplace. The apprenticeship can enable an organisation to take advantage of the apprenticeship levy to attract, retain, develop and empower their future workforce to take on the current challenges such as climate change, COVID and Brexit.
In terms of our apprentices, when they first start at stage 1, many of them have just recently left school, but as they develop and go through the apprenticeship, they become valuable employees of their organisation, and they're contributing to the management of live projects, but also to the financial management of the company. And they go from being, shall we say, a trainee to someone that's actually actively participating in the profits and turnover and work activity of their employers.
We have students here at Northumbria who range from those in their 20s to those in their 50s, who have a variety of backgrounds, come from different areas and industry. Some have families, some have come from different countries, and that's what the graduate apprenticeship helps encourage, is different students from different backgrounds to come through an alternative route.
It's that combination of earning whilst learning, as well as getting the academic experience here at Northumbria University. You also get the work-based learning development experience with your employer, and so far it's virtually 100% success rate we have with engagement from employers, and they're actively supporting the apprentices and our degree apprenticeship students. Employers understand and recognise the quality of our graduates, both full-time and degree apprenticeship students, and they are constantly looking for students and apprentices who have qualified through Northumbria.